What if you went to bed tonight and woke up tomorrow 1 kilogram lighter? If you have ever tried to lose weight, you understand the struggle is real. Everyone has a specific area they want to change, whether it is the stomach, the thighs, or something else entirely. But the method I am about to share is something you have likely never considered before. Adhering to this plan will show you a visible difference by morning. I will give you a precise, easy-to-follow routine to replicate these results for yourself. Step 1. Getting ready. Pick a day where your schedule is completely clear. A free weekend day or a day off is ideal. This ensures no outside events interfere with your success. You must stick to the plan for the entire day. The secret to making this work is locked in the timing. Got your day selected? Excellent. Now, make sure you get a full night's rest beforehand so you begin feeling refreshed. Step 2. The starting point. The very first thing you do when you wake up is weigh yourself. Write down that number. You will want proof of your transformation tomorrow. Step 3. Your daily guide. Now, your day with this unique routine begins. Follow this simple schedule. You can adjust the times slightly based on your sleep cycle, but try to keep the intervals between steps consistent. 8 a.m. Mix a glass of warm water with fresh lemon juice and drink it. You can have one piece of toast with a thin layer of honey or jam and an optional apple. 10 a.m. Drink another glass of water, this time adding a little orange juice. If you're feeling hungry, you may have another apple. 12 p.m. Now, enjoy a single cup of green tea. 1 p.m. Prepare a glass of cool water with a small amount of carrot juice. With this, you can eat 80 grams of plain white rice alongside some steamed vegetables like broccoli, carrots, or zucchini. No sauces or dressings. 3 p.m. Drink a cup of any herbal tea you prefer. 5 p.m. You can eat one apple. 7 p.m. Drink another cup of green tea. 9 p.m. Have a glass of water with a splash of grapefruit juice. Then, eat one grilled chicken breast fillet with 2 or 3 fresh tomatoes and some cucumber slices. 10 p.m. To finish your day, drink a final glass of warm water with lemon juice, just like the morning. What you do in this final hour is more critical than you think. The outcome and a crucial note. Follow this guide, and you will see the number on the scale drop by 1 kilogram the next day. A single day can change everything. However, you should never follow this specific routine for more than 3 consecutive days. If you have any health concerns, please speak with your doctor first. You have to try this plan. The outcome will truly amaze you, and what you learn from this can be applied to your lifestyle forever. If you enjoyed this video, I would be so grateful for a thumbs up. Your journey to a better you starts now. Do not forget to subscribe to Natural Life Hacks and hit the bell icon so you never miss our new content.